Hi everyone, Professor T here. I wanted to take just a quick minute to show you an easy way to get your reference entry citations from the library. In case you don't find using Noodle tools to be very helpful, or you need to just pull the information from a source. So the first thing that you want to do is go into our library. You can find this from your home tab of any of your courses. This specific course is the one I'm using, but this will look the same for all of your courses. So come to your side menu and click on Library. When you click on Library, make sure you open it in a new tab and log in. You will have a login menu. Make sure you log in with your school credentials, and you will come up to the library homepage that looks something like this. Now note that a lot of our introductory material talks about using the one search bar. That's great, but I prefer to go into the Resources tab and pick one of the main databases. Just for this, I'm going to click on the Learn database. Again, that's under the Resources tab. If you click the arrow, it'll expand and you will have these options. When I click on Learn, there are going to be groups of topics that you can search for. Obviously, since you're all nursing and healthcare students, you'll probably be living mostly in the health and medical, but just for fun, I'm going to click on language and literature. When you click on the topic, it's going to bring you to the group of databases that you can use for that topic. So you'll notice that each of the other sections has a variety of databases. So for this one, I am going to just go on the Arts and Humanities databases, but take some time to look for the database that is most relevant to you. When you click on the database, it is going to bring up that database specifically. Now, I do have other videos that cover how to use the advanced search features, so I'm not going to go into that as deeply here, but just remember that you can combine terms to find exactly what you want. So for this theoretical essay, I'm going to write about literature and technology. One thing to keep in mind when you type these in, do not press the enter or return key, because it will automatically bring up results from whatever you're typing in, and you want to be able to go in and put the search terms in a little bit more. So literature, I want to be in the document full text. So I want the word literature to appear somewhere within the actual article, and so I'm going to click on the and. I would like technology to be in the document title. You can go in and add more as you want. You can add more rows to get specific, but since I'm just using this as an example, I'm not too concerned with getting specifically good information. I do want to click on peer reviewed because, as you found out, getting accurate information, something that doesn't come from Wikipedia, is one of the primary reasons we use the library. So I want a full text and peer reviewed. Now, because I'm looking for literature and technology, I want something that has recent information to see specifically how technology has shaped literature. So I'm going to do the last 3 years. And I would like scholarly journals. Again, you can go into all the advanced search features and you can check out the other video for more on that. But I'm going to click search. When you click search, it'll take a moment to load your results. Sometimes it'll take longer than others. So you see, for that specific full text literature and title technology, I came up with 132 scholarly journals. When you see your results, it'll look something like this, where you'll be able to see the title, get a link to it, and you'll be able to click on the abstract or get the full text, and so on. Just for fun, I'm going to click on abstract or details to read through, and you can find the summary of the article to see if it would be relevant to you. I'm going to imagine that this is. Now, here's the most important part if you want to make your life a little bit easier, is I'm going to go back. If you come over to the right-hand side of the page, you're going to see 3 icons here: the email, the save to my research, and the critical one, the site. When you click on this, it will open up a box that gives you the full citation, and you can change it to be anything you need here. In this case, I'm going to do APA 7 with an annotation. If you do it without the annotation, that gives you exactly what you need. So now, if you want to place this into your paper or a writing worksheet that we might be doing, you can either copy the text yourself, or you can just click on the copy button. Once you've done that, you can take this text and paste it with the proper formatting directly into any document that you need, saving you the trouble from having to memorize every single step or even trying to go to Noodle Tools to figure something else out. So that's probably the quickest way to go and find your citation information if you want to build a reference page or fill out a worksheet for any of our homework. And like I said, for a more in-depth video on the how to use the library's advanced search features, I will post those later. But just remember that when you're in the journals, all you need to do is click the Cite button, and it will bring up all the citing information you need. Just make sure you're in the right edition for what you need. It'll probably be APA 7, but just keep in mind that you can choose any of the citation styles that you need. So I hope that helps, and remember to use this as much as you can to make your life a little bit easier. And as always, if you have any questions, just let me know. But I will see you in the next video.